manager is able to access the dashboard, that you will be able to see things such as the average response time, first response time, channel engagement, channel I/O, and the total visitors engagement for a selected period. This selected period can be within today, last 7 days, last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, or a given period of a calendar month of 30 days. So for example, I choose between 1st to say for example 1st of May. It realized that the system will realize that you have already selected something that is exceeding the 30 days, so you may need to reselect again. So for example, I select that a period that is within 30 days. We can see the following. First, you will see the average time taken by the agents in this company account to respond to the channels. And then you will also be able to see statistics such as the average time taken by your agents to respond to a new chat. A new chat meaning to respond to the very first incoming message. Then next, you will also be able to see the engagement level for each of the channels. So it will be presented in the form of pie chart. So if you see that the pie, if you see that the higher, the bigger portion section of the pie is colored. Say for example, in this case, WhatsApp is colored. Then it just means that there is high interaction using this channel between the agents and the visitors. So next, for channel I/O, you will be able to see statistics of the incoming and outgoing messages for each of the channels that is connected to this account. And lastly, you will also be able to see the total number of visitors that the agents have answered to during the given period.